Hello, my name is Carolina, and today I'm here to talk to you about helium. Helium is the second lightest and second most abundant element in the universe. Yes, in the universe and not on the Earth, because helium here on Earth is quite rare compared to the rest of the universe, and I will explain why later in the video. Anyways, helium is located on the upper right-hand corner of the periodic table, along with the other noble gases. In its own little box over here. It has the information of its element symbol, which is He, element name, which is obviously helium, hopefully you've been paying attention, and its atomic mass, which is around 4, and also its atomic number, which is 2. But when was the element discovered, and who discovered it? Well, helium was discovered in 1868 by the French astronomer Pierre-Jules César Janssen. He was looking through his telescope during a solar eclipse and he spotted a yellow light on the surface of the sun's atmosphere. This yellow light had a wavelength. It didn't accord to any other element that they had already found that was on the periodic table. So it was a new element. And this new element was named by Sir Norman Lockyer, who named it after the Greek god Helios. Helios was the Greek sun god, and it was named after this Greek sun god because it was first discovered on the sun's atmosphere, and then 26 years later they found it here on Earth. Actually, most people think that, helium's like somewhere in the air and they have this fancy scientific equipment. Actually, I have no clue. Maybe they do. But for a fact I know is they actually dig up helium from the ground as a natural gas. One of the facts why helium is so rare to find here on Earth compared to out there in the universe is because of the fact that helium is a very stable element. What I mean by stable is that its valence shell is complete, which means that it doesn't need to go looking for another electron to complete its valence shell, so that's why it's so unreactive with any other element. And in the end, that's practically why it can escape Earth's atmosphere faster than you can say a bolt at the London Olympics. Helium, for one, always makes me laugh when I think about it, and I think that's why I chose helium to be the element for my project. And the reason why is because
always me and my friends at their birthday parties, they always have the helium-filled balloons, and you always pop a hole in it, and then you make a video of you guys sounding all squeaky and mouse-like, and it's kind of scary and annoying actually, but anyways, the point is it always makes me laugh. And helium doesn't actually change the sound, the pitch of your voice. It has nothing to do with your vocal cords really, other than the fact that the gas molecules in your vocal cords change, and because helium is lighter than the air we breathe, the oxygen, because helium is lighter than the air we breathe, sound waves can travel faster through that, causing our voices to sound higher.
This, though fun and funny, isn't actually good for us. So, what are its other uses? Well, what people know it most commonly for, other than for filling helium balloons, like
these, is for cooling and launching rockets.
So yes, I know it's not very common because you don't launch rockets every day, really. But I think I like helium because of the fact that it's kind of rare to find. At least here on Earth it is.
So yes, I think that is why I chose helium, and I don't know, I hope you learned something. You must have, because this video is pretty long. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something. I've already said that. I am sorry I'm probably boring you. Okay, thank you. Bye.